Oh, my film. Answer my videos. My men chat sham kakra. What I say, Catherine? Oobakɛ. Firstly, Oobakɛ. What I say, Oobakɛ. Matilda, Oobakɛ. Oswanza, Oobakɛ. Bunyina, Oobakɛ. I was here. Dangme phone and Ga phone Eddie Abisiani. Ewo Oobakɛ ya mechia muye. Oobakɛ Republic. Oobakɛ ya ihu. Dangme phone and Ga phone Abisiani say almost montiasi. Say Ga phone kase. Yemfo mu kasa na eye Oobakɛ. Eye greetings no. Ene nko to Kotoka Airport no no dia. Any almost no. Yemfo mu kasa Mohee na waje so yemfe no. Ene nko to Kotoka Airport. Ise omu no mu dia Abisiani ewo Accra Mountain so. You Penyah block media. Best was any demo. Over like a video, no doubt about subscribe button. It's not back like a notification account for the test update. Not back to the wide with their mammy. I will comment that she must also baswa. No, I should for so any be actually. It is a gun on the come here said, Yenye serious. Youngest you be a pay. I say, how on this earth will you fight? Say, Gamvoy, we say, Kotoka International Airport, a woman says, a crash says so, a new Kumasi. Enti wo o masa so de eyo dia irrespective of the person now or yet that project no o so the fact say wo gan asase no so nko an de e wa krata so nko an de eyo dia what I say eyo dia they are claiming ownership and they are claiming entitlement of that. They are claiming ownership and entitlement. And the way they say instead of saying akwaba no yemfa akwaba no emfiri oni yemfa Oobakɛ ana emeto the signage na e wo Kotoka International Airport no Yafa Oobakɛ ana emetoto so bi say eho eye gan asase so enkran eye gan asase so. And now I was even ask a question say any ka mo adwa you say Accra mountain bebrebe otwifa ho no mo a ada say akwaba ewo mountain bebrebe so bia ye bebrebe akwaba even empty office kwan akwaba he bia be ko bia akwaba ene e dey na think omu adwuma ye pa ye wo adwuma ye be boka be ye ne ma foforo what dey say e think kan function say yafa Oobakɛ and no replace Akwaba. If you say Ga Mantse crowd, SRT record new straight.
Accra, the heartbeat of the nation. We say Oobakɛ. So instead of saying Akwaba, we are saying Oobakɛ. Can you say that? Oobakɛ.
What I say, HM says Oba Ganhonum na Crown Omo and Kan Kwaba na Omoka Oobakɛ. It atomu in a trim, only a Yomukasa. And Obikas, oh, any Enusuba boy, we say Enusuba boy, a bit promoting Gano Omo culture. And I was like, wait a minute, just a change of Akwaba to Oobakɛ. And how does this promote your culture? How does this, Abra, and which Akwama, your homo festival, Popoy festival, and to quest Mamma Nipa Bidu, Mabuntua Kunati. What does this Oobakɛ promote your culture? What is it? And then I'm okay. Now, you're quite Accra Honumana, or a cram map now. Traps who do we na akan bom afom misoko e wo hono na tribe is omo edoso e Dangme fo no Gamfo na kasa for be just about 30% of entire Accra population. About 70% na kanyina e Dangme fo no Dangme so kasa welcome in Dangme no e Mohee no waje so hey
you are welcome. In my Dangme language is Mohee and the response is hey.
That's it. Mohee no waje so hey. E don't kire me say senior say Gamfo ya mo ye nipa kuma bi wa Accra hono no mo be say mo kire say an ene yemfa mo kasa ga ye Oobakɛ na nko to Kotoka International Airport so dia ene yeso ye wa ha ye do sene mo nti na ye nso no yemfa ye kasa Mohee no waje so hey no eno ene yemfa nko to Kotoka International Airport.
Did you know that welcome means Mohee in Dangme language? Did you also know that Mohee means welcome in Ga language? You've heard me right. In Dangme language, when you say Mohee, it means welcome and the person will respond, eh. In Ga language, when you see Mohee, it means welcome and the person will respond, eh. And some parts of Ga will even add, Oobakɛ. Right? Right now, within the Ga community, right, some people do not want to take the Mohee because they feel it benefits the Dangme people. So those people pushed to take Oobakɛ as welcome instead of Mohee. Mohee, which is widely accepted as welcome between both Dangme and Ga, right, has been rejected by some people in Ga because they feel if they choose that, it's going to benefit the Dangme people. Even within the Ga community, not all of them accept the Oobakɛ as welcome. I'm told that when you go to some of the communities like Nungwa, Ga Mantse, there is a debate going on because not everybody accept the Oobakɛ. Right? The word that's mostly accepted for welcome is Mohee. Right? The Oobakɛ, right, is not the widely accepted welcome word for Gans. Mohee is the widely accepted one, and Mohee would have represented both Dangme and Ga. But guess what? Few people within the Ga community felt it's going to benefit the Dangme people, right? So they fought against it. They rejected it because they don't want the Dangme people to benefit. So instead of Mohee to mean welcome for Ga and Dangme people, they only took Oobakɛ, which benefit only Ga. And even within the Ga, there's a debate right now going on that because most people within the Ga do not affect the Oobakɛ. Right? So that's why I keep saying that when it benefits people, they take the Ga Dangme. Right? They use Ga Dangme. But when the benefits come, they only think of Ga. So they use Ga Dangme when they need numbers. They need Ga Dangme when they want to push an agenda and they need the numbers. But as soon as the benefit comes, they stick to only Ga. And this has to stop. If we want to preach unity, right, we need to know that pushing the Ga Dangme, and only using Ga is affecting the Dangme language. It's killing the Dangme language. And some of us will not accept it anymore. Mohee, as welcome, would have benefited both Ga and Dangme. But few people within the Ga community just don't want the Dangme people to, the Dangme language to come to the limelight. They hate the idea. They hate it. So today, I've made a lot of calls. And I was told Mohee, right, is accepted in Dangme, and Mohee is also accepted in Ga as welcome. It's only few people within the Ga community that rejected Mohee and accepted Oobakɛ. And even Oobakɛ is not widely accepted within the Ga community. This has to stop. Some of us will not keep quiet. Right? For this unity to work, you need to respect the Dangme people. Right? You need to respect us a bit. And realize that if you continue doing what you are doing, using Ga Dangme, our language is dying. You use Ga Dangme for every program, and you speak Ga. You don't promote Dangme. Every program you go to and it's named Ga Dangme, you hear only Ga. Every program you go to, right, and it's Ga Dangme, everything you hear is Ga. Every association, and it's Ga Dangme association, about 90% of executives, or even all the executives, are Ga. This has to stop. It has to. Thank you. Let me answer this once and for all. Right? This question. Let me answer this one for all. Ga people do not represent Dangme people. And Dangme people do not represent Ga people. Ga people speak Ga, and Dangme people speak what? Dangme. Two different groups of people. Now, when you come to Greater Accra, 30% of the land in the Greater Accra is occupied by Ga people. The rest, 70% is occupied by what? Dangme people. So you can see there are more Dangme people than what? Ga people. When you come to Greater Accra, Dangme people occupy more part of Greater Accra than Ga people. Now, when you go to Eastern region, there are Dangme people there. They occupy about 15%, right, of the Eastern region land. Dangme people. Now, when you go to Volta region, yeah, Volta region is occupied by about 6% of Dangme people. Yeah, the Dangme people there, right, covers around 6% of Volta region. Now, even when you go to Ivory Coast, there are Dangme people there. Yeah, there are Dangme people there. So Dangme is more spread out. Dangme people are more spread out. But Ga are only situated within Accra. When you come to Greater Accra, it's just within the Accra that you come to. But Greater Accra is bigger than Accra. So 30% of Greater Accra belongs to Ga, and the 70% belongs to Dangme people. So you cannot say that Ga people, right, represent Dangme people. No. You cannot say Dangme people represent what? Ga people. No. They are two different people. Right? Two different people. Now, when you come to ethnicity, the government cannot group us together. Ga, Dangme ethnicity. Right? Now, because Ga is leading, it doesn't mean that we are the Ga represent Dangme. No. You can actually say Dangme and Ga, or Ga and Dangme. It just tells you that these two group of people, right, are together. Ga people together with what? Dangme people. That's where Ga Dangme came from, or Dangme and Ga came from. Ga Dangme does not mean everybody in that group is Ga. No. Right? So Ga people do not represent Dangme people, and Dangme people do not represent Ga people. So stop saying that when you say Ga, it represents both Dangme and Ga. No. Stop saying that when you say Dangme, it represents Dangme and Ga. Two different groups of people. Yes? If you have any questions, let me know. But this has to stop. Thank you.
Greater Accra traditional leaders. And to call my remupim, Equa my Yeremohamo Mokono, 7 Penyah, Nyansa be anim. In Chirimari Menyan Fasubia also. The necessary thing that was some way, no, Major went out to her, and an unnecessary fight in a fight. Way a loose fight. What's in a catch no? Airport, Kotoka International Airport, near the hono, Chireme, Sika, what the see no, a moahin in a Greater Accra assassinaso. Greater Accra assassinate the hono, and moi, Momo de Boagan and any away. Interchanges are who or my Greater Accra, a friend then. Or my Japadia who or my ACC Accra, a moahin and a Sikanefi or friend then Greater Accra assassinaso. Akwanya kro mechicha enne Accra ejina ne nanso aye Accra no sika omode ye found that what they build Accra no emu ahen na fi Accra efi nkran asase so. Sometimes traditional leaders no mu be able to say mo frɛ bi a sebe wo nim one left from one right. Enkran poano nyina ye bin amanfo de enkran poano adan toilet sebe ohene nyansani biara ni wa wasɔre say or the kum ana or the fight against poano a wonene ko UAE, ko Qatar, ko other countries, na kwa one poano, would the dinner be to form crowd to me fan was in yedi, compared to one poano a wakra. Or hinting and sending Benasoris or fighting against in poano a one. She Greater Accra, Langas, a woody a Langas, a di amount for Obia ba one hen no ho abetas aseno, na Langas e tatino, Langas inti obiewu. Messi ni ofi echichiri baby oba bedi pa won kran ye kumono Langas inti obi eye wo frɛ ne den Apache Langas inti obi nai ba kwa asɛi Langas inti no obi ani ba kwa asɛi ohene nyansani biara ni ho ever since sa asɛm we de bia bibisa me ho sɛ inti Langa di wo frɛ ne Greater Accra traditional leaders no na even moreover no yen leaders no won't me ye bibi mfa Langas ho ana. Ohine nyansani ben asori wo Greater Accra so fighting against Langas. And no man the most important thing wo friend den da chinchirima ba benya ho mfaso. Mun fight Langas, mun fight empoano a wonene. Anu na the most important. Na akwa aba ya tro wo friend ene mun sisa din Kotoka no so e. Mu sori a mo de mon satnet na kanfo so e na kanfo ye tribalism, e na santefo ye tribalism, e na mun kaifo no mo ye tribalism esin obia. Ni a Greater Accra ma sorry amoye tribalism be na sin we ya sele akwa abade dawo akwa abade ntre ha afa ba bia listen wona mo broni krom no approach you no bisa o na ka so we Ghana ni a ade ebien pe na oka na o person prove it so te Ghana kasa etesen akwa aba etesen akwa aba asa wo Greater Accra Ghana kasa no mean disrespect wo kasa no ba me pese me ka kire wo say e wo within Greater Accra why even Greater Accra ni mpo no enye ba bia na Ghana kasa na ko ye wo baby wo Greater Accra hono ma akan kasa na se twi no eje ntra ha fa hono wa Ghana kasa no entimi mfa ho Enti ye nyina as Ghanaians no aden na ye nyina ye mfa ye ho bom mfa ye ntama bom en accept say chi kasa en e dominate wo Ghana. Wo ye den kasa biara ni wa betimi abe fight akan kasa na se chi kasa no. Ana asante kasa yemfa ne saa meme nya asante ni by ne aba se yesi yento aba enyi kasa ba kwa ye de be ye Ghana kasa nya sabe ka kire mi se menja maku apem twi ne nto wonko tusu asante twi because asante twi no afa ba bia wo Ghana Oobakɛ wo se eno no ebe ye den ama Greater Accra ebe ye den ama Greater Accra yense sa de din Greater Accra enyi enfrem Ga Dangme eno no ebe ye den anti-voter regions, you say something here. I be region, other region. You say you see, more tribalism, eba. Ne mo ye yes I said we are the way we are near pointing sawas and the fosso. Sanka siadi mo ye say yes sadi akwa ba ye no Oobakɛ in class fonte te kwa fubi etnet and sawas and the fosso. And as Sante Funim say, omukwana ye enso din akwa ba enya Sante for the akwaba ya kan kasa nyina fantefo ka akwaba ekuapem ka akwaba buno ka akwaba ya kan ni nyina munja ya ahoya enye wo yonko enye wo na ye wo yonko a na che se you see ebibifu ho bebi a ewo se wode ye to na hwa na wode ye to no na se yansesa ye suban ahoya honhom pese menkuminya honhom enye me na ye menua a metan no honhom ye bekoso atena ane na ya atena ye bi mu enti ni Greater Accra fo mo ye no kware mu no emfa so bia amre Greater Accra mon fight good 10 mon po anu nyina dan bi hwe choko ye tan gates mu nyina dan bi e wo choko eno no makama anu atum langas in e hawa man for ma beton sa so mo amahemfo no ho no the necessary thing na say mo fight for no mo fighting for unnecessary thing na mo fight for wise up moye mo ade se moye traditional leaders.
Freckle. I received a package from tribal tongue, I believe, and is flashcards that you can use to learn tree. And my son has got it right now. I've already opened the package and I've already charged it. So can you show them what the package looks like? Okay, so this is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like, and it's from tribal tongue, tree talking flashcards.
Do you want to open it and show them what is in there? What does it come with?
It comes with this charger and these instructions, and then this thing where
The machine.
Yeah, the machine. Where you have to take it out and then press and hold.
Press and hold and put it on.
Hello, let's learn some tree.
Okay, so it comes with 2 flashcard sets. We are going to take one out. Whoops. And then let's see how it works. Kanyo, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put one in. So you slot it in. The other way.
Okay.
Yep. Slot it in.
Carmine.
Say it.
Carmine.
Carmine.
And then there's another one on this side.
Okra.
Okra.
Should we try another one?
Yeah.
Put the other one in.
Anoma.
Repeat it.
Anoma.
Anoma.
Anoma. And this one. The cow.
Nenchie.
Menchie.
Nenchie.
Menchie.
Nenchie.
Menchie. Plop.
Aponche.
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 Turn the other side. Put it in.
Efrum Ponko.
From Ponko.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Freckle. Guys, this is great. I'm going to tag him And you guys go and have a look at what he's got on his page. This is fantastic. Tribal, what is it called again? Tribal tongue. Tribal tongue. This is fantastic. Honestly, this is amazing. Thank you so much for sending us this. We are going to be using this definitely to improve our tree. Thank you.
Thank you, Tribal Tongue.
Ay, ebe you know Ghana hapa 21st century. Ade ade pari be interest ewo. Ene Oobakɛ, ene Mohee, no ajuzu he. What is it? Eduba comment section. Ya mo ntia me. Ero se, mo ba mo ntia me. Mo beti ma tia me. Oobakɛ, no ajuzu ke. What is it? Ah, mo ba comment section. Ya mo ntia me. Mo ha mo ntia me. Oobakɛ, no ajuzu ke. Now we have a Mohee, no ajuzu he. Try your baby. Comment section. How you Penyah block media? Accra.